Her name's Jamie, I studied the Electrical Apprenticeship. I was bouncing around jobs. I was an accountant, welder. I didn't have a clue what I wanted to do, to be honest. A lot of it really. I met loads of new people. Obviously level 2 was more in workshop, doing stuff, which I like doing because I've never done any of that before. Level 3's been more like maths and exams and stuff like that, which I was quite academic when I was in school and stuff, so I found that easier than the practical stuff, but it's all been really good. I definitely want to do my inspection and testing. I'm thinking about doing a HNC as well at some point. I don't know if it'll be straight away, but I do want to do that because a few lads who I work with have done that too, so that's good. Don't get behind on any of the work. Obviously all the tutors help you get back on top of it, and they've been really good with that with me because I got behind at one point and they did everything they could to help you get back on track. But you're just making it harder for yourself if you get behind on the work.